your
This
introduction.
conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Okay. And then we will see the course content, like what topics we are going to discuss in this customer service module. Okay.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
I will give you high level overview of those topics.
Okay.
Okay. And after that,
Okay.
I will show you some documentation. Like at the end of the training, I will provide you some documents. I will show you what
Oh,
are those documents and all. And finally,
oh,
we will discuss on the training methodology, like when to have training, weekdays or weekends, what is the
okay.
suitable timings, all those things we'll discuss. Okay. So, Shikhar, can you give your introduction, please, before I provide
Yes.
my introduction?
Mhm. Yes. Yes. I am a SAP SD consultant.
Mhm.
I have not much of experience on SD. I have joined somewhere as a fresher only as a SAP SD. But now my role is the company wants me to work on CS module. So yeah, so that's why I'm looking for a CS training.
So how many years of experience do you have in total SD as of now?
SD, I have around 6 to 7 months of experience. Not much of experience, but I have good knowledge on the SD processes and everything. Yeah.
Oh, acha. So you're more or like a fresher. Is that correct, more
Yeah,
or
yeah,
less?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Right.
Okay. 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 So where are you from, Shikhar? Which part of? I
I
believe you're basically from India.
sorry.
You're basically from India. That's what I believe. Is that correct?
Right, right, right. I'm
Oh,
in India only. I'm based in Gurgaon.
Gurgaon, Delhi, near Delhi, correct?
Yeah, near Delhi. Right.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, that is okay. But before coming into SAP, do you have any, what do you say, industry experience before coming into SAP? Did you
Yes,
work
yes. I
somewhere?
have. Yes, I have around 10 years of experience into I started with my core engineering sector. I have worked into this electrical and instrumentation. Basically, I'm a BTech in electronics and instrumentation. So
Hmm.
I worked into service and as an application engineer. Then slowly I moved into sales, like
Oh,
technical sales, industrial sales, and all that. Okay.
oh,
Then like I have around 10 years of experience into combined into core engineering and sales and marketing. Okay.
hmm,
And then like few of my friends were into SAP, and I was always wanted to get into SAP. I also tried when I was into my core engineering sector. So I tried getting training on ABAP, but somehow I
hmm,
could not get through it. Okay,
hmm.
so I did not was not able to find a job in SAP. But now, yeah,
Okay.
I have now find a job in SAP, and yeah, I have good knowledge on SD processes. But yeah, the current role the company wants me to do this CS training. Actually,
Hmm.
they will
Okay.
be also providing me some training, but I don't think they will be providing so deep. So that's why
Hmm.
I was looking for some courses. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. So I'll provide my introduction. Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
So I am basically myself someone.
Okay.
I'm a B.Tech mechanical graduate. Okay. I have overall 17 years of experience.
Okay.
Okay. 8 years into domain. Okay. So
Okay.
before coming into SAP, I worked in the industry. Okay. I
Okay.
worked in what do you call engineering department as a maintenance planner.
Okay.
Okay. And then after that, before coming into SAP, I was like end user to SAP, and then I learned SAP. I did my certification, and then I now I'm into SAP.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Great.
As of now, I have 10 years of experience now.
In
Okay.
in in SAP only, right?
In SAP only. Yes, 10
O-
plus actually. Okay.
Okay,
I am certified in SAP PM and CS modules. Okay.
okay,
Initially, I started with PM, but later on, simultaneously, I learned CS also. Now I handle both PM and CS because both PM and CS modules are closely integrated with each other.
integrated. Right, right. Okay,
And also, of course, CS module also have largely integrated with SD also.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
And also,
yeah,
I am pretty comfortable in SD also.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
But anyhow, this training is only exclusively on CS, customer service.
Okay.
Okay. And so far I did three end-to-end implementation projects.
Okay.
Okay. And these are the, apart from the other that support, rollout, those kind of projects, I did three end-to-end implementations.
Okay.
Okay. And these are the clients for which I worked, like General Electric, Sanofi, Mylan. You might have heard of Dr. Reddy's. So these are the
Yes. Yes.
companies I've worked, okay, in my career. Okay. And these are the types of industries like pharmaceuticals, automobiles, brewery, furniture, types of industries where I worked on SAP. And currently I'm working as a solution.
Okay.
Okay. And these are the countries I traveled as part of my SAP journey, basically, for all
Okay.
SAP
Great.
implementations. Okay. So this is my profile. Okay. So now let's move on to the next topic, that is course content. Okay. So basically from here we will be discussing what are the topics we will be covering in SAP.
Okay.
SAP CS. SAP CS. Okay.
Right.
So actually in the normal training, we will be starting from scratch, like what is SAP, why SAP is used, what is
Right.
customer service module, okay, why the
Okay.
organizations implement customer service module, okay, what is the
Okay.
integration between customer service module and other modules of SAP. You might be knowing other modules of SAP like MM,
Right.
SD, SD,
Right.
PM, PM, PP, QM, okay, and FICO. You
Right.
might be knowing all modules, right? So how this our customer service module is integrated with all the other modules that we will cover, okay? And
Okay.
then
Okay.
we will be looking at the basic navigation of SAP.
Okay.
So, but CS module, yeah, if you ask me, it is largely integrated with SD and PM modules, plant maintenance.
Okay.
Okay, major integration is this one. So if you know SD module or if you know PM module, it is very easy to understand CS module.
Okay.
Okay, so that is
Fine.
the main thing. Okay, so this is like an introduction, high level introduction. Okay,
Okay.
so I don't think for you this is not required, right? Like again, what is SAP, why SAP,
Yeah. Yeah.
all
Not
those
required. Yeah.
not required, right? So I'll skip this one. So let's now the organizational elements, enterprise structure. Okay,
Right.
so enterprise structure, I believe as a SD consultant, you might be doing already sales or distribution
Yes.
channel, division,
Yes.
all these things you might be knowing, company code, plant,
Right.
storage location, you might be knowing.
Right. Right.
Only from CS perspective, you should know maintenance plant and maintenance planning plant.
Okay.
Okay, so maintenance plant means actually this is relevant for PM actually, where your
Okay.
equipments are located, machines. Okay, but
Where the
but
equipments are?
located equipments are
Okay.
located,
Okay.
available.
Okay.
But
Okay.
the problem in CS module is already your machines or equipments will be available at customer side. Okay,
Right.
you are selling the product to the customer, so the machines or equipments will be at customer side, right?
Right.
Correct. So the
Correct.
maintenance plant has not much relevance in CS module actually. Okay,
Okay.
only the planning plant have relevance. So planning plant is the plant which takes care of services activity for the customer. That is a planning.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so that is the difference. So normally we will be using planning plant, planning plant.
So like I didn't get the difference between maintenance plant and maintenance planning plant. What is the major difference?
I'll tell you. Suppose let's say you have a company X. Okay,
Yeah. Right.
okay, you have a company X which manufacture pumps. You
Right.
know pumps, right? You know
Right.
pumps.
Right.
So this company has four units in India. Okay, one is
Okay.
in, let's say, Goa, Goa.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
one is in Mumbai.
Right.
Okay, one is in Chennai.
Right.
Okay, one is in Hyderabad. Okay,
Right.
these four are manufacturing sites. Okay,
Okay.
there
Yeah.
they manufacture the pumps, but this this company has a head office at Delhi, Delhi
Okay.
corporate office. Okay,
Yeah.
but whatever these four manufacturing plants need those
Okay.
components or whatever the planning activity, all will happen at Delhi plant, Delhi site, head
Right.
office.
Okay.
Okay, so these four are called maintenance plants.
Okay.
Okay, where all your machines are located, but your planning activity happens at Delhi. So it is Delhi called
Right.
planning.
Okay.
So that is a difference. Okay, got
Okay.
it.
Got it. Got it.
So that is it. But in our case, the in CS module, this maintenance plant doesn't have much relevance. The reason is your equipment or your product, whatever is there, you already sold it to customer. Those are at customer place, not in our company.
Right.
Okay?
Absolutely.
Uh, so that's the reason maintenance plant have not have much relevance in CS.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
remaining all you might be knowing already, company code, these all sales
Right.
order,
Right.
all these things you might be knowing. So I'll not repeat it again. Okay.
Okay.
Mm. Okay. And now the next, this is the one. This is the one we will be discussing. Company code, plant, sales area, units. Okay. And this cost center from FI side, storage location from logistics side. Only other thing you should know is work center. Okay.
Okay.
So work center means the person or group of people doing the service activity. Suppose let's say
Okay.
you are selling a product to the customer. Okay,
Right.
customer give a complaint that my product is not working.
Right.
Okay, then what you will do? You will send a technician, right? Correct.
Right.
Suppose let's say in your house you have refrigerator, boss. Let's say Samsung refrigerator. Refrigerator is
Right.
not working. What you will do? You will call the customer care. Correct.
Right.
Then the Samsung customer care people, what they will do? They will arrange a technician. They will send a technician to your house. Correct.
Correct.
So the technician or a group of people or a person or one person or group of people, those are called work centers in this SAP system.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so the work center is nothing but a person or a individual person or a group of people responsible for service activities, maintenance
Okay.
activities. Okay, that is
Okay.
work center. So when we go to the system, we will create this work center in the system.
Like
Okay,
I have one doubt here.
uh,
This we refer this work center to the person, not the
correct.
service center of the company, right?
No, 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 no.
Okay.
Service center of the company is like a plant only, planning plant
Okay. Okay. Fine.
only. Okay.
Got it.
Okay. So this work center means group of the people who are doing work. Simple.
Oh,
That work is nothing but service in customer service module. It is nothing but servicing.
okay.
Okay. And the group and the employees normally will be assigned to this work center.
Okay.
Okay. So that is org structure. So after the org structure, this is what I just explained. Planning plant, maintenance plant, planner group, all these things we will see it in the system.
Okay.
Okay. After that, we will go to the master data. So master data relevant for CS module is first is customer master because customer master is the main thing. The reason is you are selling the product to the customer. Correct.
Customer, right. Right.
So we will see how to create this customer master and all. And as a SD consultant, I believe you might be knowing this already. Correct.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Ah, and then material master because we are selling the product to the customer. So
Right.
we have to create that product as a material. So we will see how to create all the material masters and
Okay.
okay. Next vendor master. Sometimes for the service activity, you need you need some spare parts. That spare parts you need to purchase. Then you create the vendor master to purchase the raw spare parts.
Right.
Okay. And then the work center. Work center already we discussed, but anyhow, work center we will be creating as a master data. Okay. And then task
Okay.
list. This task list will come into the picture during AMC, annual maintenance contract. That
Okay.
time it will come into the picture. So it will have a task list. What task he has to perform. Technician when he goes to the
Okay.
customer for repair activity or service activity, what task he has to perform. that we will put
Okay.
it in the task.
Like it would be
Okay,
a checklist kind of thing,
a
checklist
checklist
or
kind of, yes, a checklist
okay.
or kind of operations here.
Okay.
Okay, so all these things we will create in the system. This is master data.
Okay.
Okay, and also on top of that you will have warranty. Warranty, you might be knowing what is warranty, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
So customer warranty, we will discuss how to create warranty, how this warranty is used, all those things also we will discuss.
Okay.
Okay, so this is master data. After the master data, we will go to the technical objects. Okay, technical objects, first is the equipment. Equipment is nothing but in SD module you call it as a product. In PM module you call it as a equipment.
Okay.
Suppose let's say I am manufacturing pump and
Right.
I'm selling it to my customers. So each pump is called as a equipment.
Okay. So the finished product, you mean?
Finished product. Yes, correct, correct. From
Okay.
SDMM module perspective, we call it as a finished product. From PM and CS module perspective, you call it as a equipment.
Okay.
Okay. Next, functional location. Functional location means is the place or area where your equipments are located.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose let's say you are selling pump to a company. Okay. In that company, they have different departments. They have a
Right.
production department. They have an engineering department. Okay. Okay.
Right.
Different departments. They have a utilities department. So different pumps are located in different areas. So these
Right.
areas are called functional location.
Okay.
Okay, so how these functional locations has to be created, how this equipment is installed at functional location, all
I have
those
one
things
question.
we will.
So this function location is located at the customer place, right?
Ah, yes, customer place. Yes, yes. But still we have
Okay.
to create in the system that functional location structure.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
after that, serial numbers. Serial numbers. So now you are selling the same product to different customers, right? Correct.
Right.
So now how you will identify same pump? You are manufacturing pumps. Okay.
Right.
Same pump you are selling it to different customers.
Right.
So how you will identify each pump separately?
With the
So
help
suppose
of
take the
serial number.
serial number. Suppose take the case of iPhone. Just simple. Apple
Yeah.
iPhones are there. You have an iPhone, I have an iPhone. Same iPhone. How you will differentiate your iPhone and my iPhone? Same color, same model, everything same. How you will
Right.
differentiate? For your iPhone and my iPhone, there will be different serial numbers.
Right.
So that serial numbers, how to create, how serial numbers are assigned to equipment, all those things we will discuss.
Okay.
Okay, and after that we will go to installed base. Installed base is like a structure. This is only for reporting purpose. We will not be
Okay.
doing any transactional data for installed base. We will just create installed base for the structure reporting basically.
Okay.
Okay, and
Okay.
after that we create bill of material, BOM. Okay,
Okay.
BOM means what are the spare parts present in your equipment. Suppose let's say
Right.
you take a pump. Simple example, in the pump what you will have a bearing, you will have a gasket, you will have a coupling. Suppose let's say you are selling a laptop. What you will have in the laptop, what are the components present in laptop? You will have a monitor. Okay, you will have
Right.
a hard disk, you will have a hard disk, you will have RAM,
Right.
all those things,
Right.
right? So all those things are put it into bill of material.
Yeah. Yeah.
So how to create this bill of material, where it is used ultimately, all those things we will understand.
Okay.
Okay, so before going into the business processes, we will be creating all the master data and the technical objects.
Okay.
Okay? After this, we will go to the. So
I
these
have
are
I
the
have one question. I have one question. Why do we call them as technical objects? Like,
these are called technical objects because for these are the ones we will do all the service activity.
okay.
Okay, of course, installed base is just a reporting, but these are called technical objects for which these ones we will be doing the our service activity.
Okay.
Okay, that is why they are called technical objects.
Got it.
Okay, so these are the ones basically functional locations, equipment, bombs, assemblies, and then serial numbers. These are the
Mm,
main ones. technical
Okay.
objects. Okay.
Right.
It's a technical objects. Technical objects. Okay. So now after this, we will go to the business processes. This is the main thing. Okay, first we will start with the business processes. In CS module, first is help desk. They call this as CIC, Customer Interaction Center. So take a simple example. You have your TV in your in your house, television. Suppose let's say
Right.
television is not working. What you will do? What you will do?
I'll call the company person, customer care.
Customer care. Customer care. So
Right.
that customer care is called in SAP as CIC, Customer Interaction Center.
Okay.
Okay, and then they will create a notification. So what you will
Okay.
do when you call the customer care? What you will tell? What you will inform them? You inform them. I have this TV, so and so model, so and
Right.
so date on which I purchased, and if they ask serial number, you will provide all that information. Right? Correct?
Exactly.
Correct?
Right.
Ah.
Right.
And then what is the problem? You will tell what is the problem, whether picture tube is not working or screen is blinking. So if you have any problem, you will tell them the problem. So all that problems they will put it in the notification.
Okay.
Okay, so that is called customer help desk, basically CAC. So how to do this in the system, we will understand.
Okay. So
First business
this
process.
the company people will document into service notification.
Ah, yes,
Yeah.
correct, correct. Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. Okay, that is the first business process. Next business process is assembly of technical objects. That means, let's say you purchase TV. Simple example. You once you purchase TV, normally what will happen after delivering the product, they will send a technician, right, for the installation. Correct.
Right. Right.
Correct, but nowadays
Correct.
most of the companies what they are doing free
Yeah.
installation, but some companies even for installation also they will charge some amount.
Right.
So that installation activity, that how to do that in the SAP system, we will understand.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the second business process. Second
Okay.
business process. Okay, next one is dispatch of spare parts. Sometimes what happens is you are using a product. Okay, suddenly you came to know that some spare parts got damaged.
Okay.
Yeah. Now now you tell to your manufacturer, the manufacturer from whom you have purchased, you tell them that you just give me spare parts, repair activity I will do myself.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So in that case, you just sell the spare parts to the customer.
Okay.
So that is dispatch of spare parts.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So these are the initial three business processes. After that, repair by field service technician. This is called on-site repair. On-site repair means on-site repair means, let's say your customer is using a product, suddenly the product is not working.
Okay.
Okay, then the customer will call you and he will ask you to send a technician. Okay,
Right.
then you will send the technician to the customer place. So that is called on-site repair.
Okay.
Okay? The technician performs works at customer site. This work is either triggered by problem message from the customer or performed as planned activity. The second one is AMC. I'll explain about this one shortly. Okay,
Okay.
and the work is documented and an invoice is created. So after the repair activity is done, if the product is not under warranty, what you will do? You will charge the customer, right? Correct.
Right.
Suppose normally nowadays what happens, whenever you sell a product to the customer, at the max either they give 1 year warranty, or nowadays some companies for some products they are giving 5 year warranty. Correct.
Right.
After that, after the warranty is over, what you will do? You will charge the customer, right? Correct.
Right. Correct.
So that invoice you have to send. So all these
Okay.
things are how you have to do that in SAP system. You will understand. This is called
Okay.
on-site repair. On-site repair, field service.
Right.
That means
Okay.
you are sending technician to the customer place for
Right.
repair. Okay. So how to do this in the system? We will understand. This is the process.
Okay.
So customer first customer will call you. CIC. Then they will create a notification. From the notification, you will create a service order. From the service order, you put the service order in process. Then you will send the technician. Technician will go and do the repair. And once he comes back and completes the work, you will confirm the order, and then you will close the order, service order, and you will send the invoice to the customer for the payment.
Right.
Okay, so this process, how to do the SAP system, we will understand end to end.
Okay.
Okay, after that, the next one is in-house repair. So
Okay.
your company also performs in-house repair. That means you ask the customer to return the product to your place.
Right.
Okay, the customer sends the defective equipment to be repaired. The devices are repaired and sent back to the customer. Suppose, let's say, take the case of a large equipment. Suppose, let's say, take the case of TV only. Okay, your TV is not working. Then the
Right.
technician will come and check it. He says the repair will take a lot of time, lot of parts to be replaced. So I cannot do it at your place. It has to return to me, return to company, and company will repair it at the company place, service center, and then we will be returning it back to you. Okay,
Okay.
so this is called in-house repair.
Also, in case of mobiles, we hand over
Mobile
the
phone.
mobile to company service
Yes,
center.
yes, that is also correct. Mobile phone also. Yes, correct. So here my company is there. This is my company, manufacturing company, and I sold it to the customer. Now customer will return the product. I will repair it, and again I will return back it to the customer.
Right.
Okay, so this is called in-house repair. So this
Okay.
have a lot of integration with SD, sales and
Okay.
distribution model. Okay, so and after the repair, as usual, you will charge the amount to the customer. The
Okay.
customer is then billed for the repair work based on the resources required, or alternatively for a fixed price.
Okay.
Okay. So how to do this in the SAP system, we will understand.
Okay.
Okay. So after on-site repair and in-house repair, the next, this is the process, how to do. First, you create a notification. From the notification, you create a repair order. And against the repair order, you receive the material post GR, return delivery.
Right.
In SD, you have return delivery, right? That
Right.
return delivery we will. And then from the return, after that, you will create a service order. Using a service order, you repair it, and then you will return the material back to the customer.
Okay.
Okay, and then again outbound delivery.
Yeah.
Return serviceable material to the customer. That is called
Okay.
outbound delivery.
Right.
Okay, so how to do this in the SAP system, we will understand end-to-end flow. And also, when we are discussing these end-to-end flows, what configuration settings, what master data settings you have to do, all those things we will discuss.
Okay.
Okay, after that, next one is dynamic item processor profile, DIP. Okay, this one, when you are doing the repair activity, dynamically system will propose the price based on the number of hours, based on the number of resources you are using. System will propose the price amount. So for that, they will use dynamic item processor. Okay,
Okay.
so what settings you have to make in this dynamic item processor, DIP profile, how it is used, how it is proposed during the billing, all those things we will understand.
Okay.
Okay, after that we will go to AMC, annual maintenance contract. This is nothing
Okay.
but your regular service. Suppose, let's say you are living in an apartment. Okay, your
Right.
apartment has a lift. Okay, that lift
Right.
you purchase from a supplier. Then the supplier will tell you every year I will come and do the servicing of the lift.
Right.
Okay, that is called AMC, annual maintenance contract. So you will have
Yeah.
a contract with your supplier. Okay,
We have
for
a
that,
fixed number of services in a year, like every month
month,
the engineer will
uh,
visit the customer premises and like that, no?
yes, correct. So technician will go to customer place every year or every month based on the contract, and he will do
Right.
the service activity and he will come back.
Okay.
And if it is under warranty, no price. If it is out of after some time, first 1 year you will do free servicing. After that, you will be charging some amount to the customer.
Okay, yeah.
So
Normally,
that is
this
service.
AMC we do after our warranty is expired, right?
No. You will do within warranty, out of the warranty. So in the contract, you will have everything. That's what
Okay,
you say in the contract, that first 1 year I will do free service.
okay,
Okay, I will not charge you anything. But after 1 year, I will still come and do the servicing. But that time onwards, I will charge some amount to you.
okay,
So that is designed in the conditions.
right,
Okay. So in the service contract, you will have a contract that to whom you are going to do servicing, your customer, what is the period, what services you are going to do in that period, and the conditions. How what is the amount I am going to charge
okay,
you. Okay. So how to do this, and based on this, your service order or service notification will get generated automatically. Suppose let's say you have a 1 year, you have a 5 year contract, 5 year contract, but after every 3 months I will come and do the servicing. So after every 3 months, system will generate a notification automatic.
okay,
System only will inform you that now 3 months is over, you have to go and do the servicing. So system will generate a notification. So how to generate that notification, what settings you have
okay,
to do as a consultant, all those things we will discuss.
okay,
Okay, this is AMC. Specific work is performed repeatedly and should only be described once. Specific work is performed at regular intervals. That is what called AMC, annual maintenance contract.
right,
Okay, so how to do that in the system, we will understand. So how to create this contract, what data you will maintain in the contract, okay, how to assign the task list to the contract, all those things we will discuss.
okay,
Okay, so this is, and again here it has single cycle contract, strategy based multiple cycle, okay, counter one, all those things we will discuss. This is a PM integration.
okay,
Okay. And once all the business processes are, of course, along with these business processes, we will also discuss equipment on loan. There is another process called equipment on loan, that also we will discuss. Okay, on loan means you sell a product to the customer. Okay, customer says that after some time customer complains that product is not working. Okay, then you tell the customer, you return the product, I will repair it. But the customer says during the repair activity, still I have to continue my work. Then in
right.
the meantime, what you will do, you send a temporary product to the
Temporary product,
customer.
right,
So customer will use the temporary product till you repair the original product. And once the original product is repaired, you deliver the original product, and you will ask him to return the temporary product.
okay,
That is called equipment on loan. So that how to do that also we will discuss.
okay,
Okay, these are the ones, these business processes. Along with that,
okay,
equipment on loan also we will discuss. Okay,
okay,
so once all the business processes are discussed, we will go to the configuration. You know, right? As a consultant, what is our role? We have to do
right,
configuration, correct?
absolutely,
So we will discuss master data configuration, notification configuration, order configuration, service order configuration, different service order types, different notification types, how to create them, then partner determination configuration, availability check, spare parts availability check, all that configuration we will discuss.
okay,
Okay. And after that, we will go to the reports in customer service module, master data reports, transactional data reports, some analytical reports, all those things we'll discuss.
okay,
Okay. After that, at the end of the training, I will provide you some documents. Okay. So
okay,
these documents are these ones. One is certification documents. All the
okay,
SAP certification, CS module certification documents I will provide you. Okay. And then I will provide you process flow documents with step-by-step screenshots.
okay,
These are like end user manuals, to be honest. Okay,
okay,
and then I will provide you the configuration documents with step-by-step screenshots.
okay.
During the training, we will discuss all the configuration, but still I will provide you the config documents with step-by-step screenshots.
For all the processes, right?
All the processes, yes, yes.
Okay,
So as part of training, you will get certification documents, process flow documents, and configuration documents.
Okay.
Okay. So, and this training will happen through GoToMeeting tool, the tool which we are using now. Okay.
Okay.
And all the sessions will be recorded, and I will share the recorded sessions to you
Okay.
so that you can refer them in future. Okay.
Okay.
And you will be provided with SAP IDs access for I think 3 months. You have to check with that institute person. 3 months. Okay, for practicing in the system. Okay, and this training will take around 25 to 30 hours approximately. And normally I do training on weekdays or weekends. If it is weekdays, daily 1 hour.
Okay.
Okay, if it is on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, Saturday 2.5 hours and Sunday 2.5 hours.
Okay.
But now I am planning to start a batch on the weekdays, 1 hour, daily 1 hour, Monday to Friday.
Okay.
Okay, and the training will happen using real-time scenarios. This is not a end user or a core user training. This training is to become a SAP CS
Mhm.
consultant. Considering all the business processes, all the real-time scenarios, we will have the training.
Okay.
Okay? And also everything we will be executing in SAP. This is the demo. So I'm not going into the system, but in the training, everything we will execute in the system, SAP system, end to end. And to
Okay.
end and to execute that end-to-end flow as a consultant, what configuration settings, what master data settings you have to do, everything we will discuss.
Okay.
Okay, and coming to the course content, I will share the PDF file to the institute guy. He will share the course content file, PDF file. What are the topics?
Okay.
Of course, I already explained you all the topics we have covered. We are going to cover, but still, I will share it in a Word file or PDF file. You can go through that. And also on top of that, if you have any questions or if you want to see any topic again, we will discuss those things again.
Okay.
Okay, so that is all about the demo. Okay, if you have any questions, we can discuss.
Uh, so
For
this
you,
duration of the training would be if it is weekdays, it would be 1 month, right? 30 days.
I don't know, it will go to 1.5 month, Monday to Friday, right? Only 4 weeks, 4 weeks, 20 hours only. So it will go to
Oh,
1.5 month.
okay.
Okay, so 1.5 month minimum it will take, minimum 1.5 month.
Okay.
Suppose let's say it is 30 hours. 30 hours means how much? 6 weeks, right? Correct?
Right.
6 weeks means 1.5 month, right? Approximately.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So that is the thing. So you are having SD background, right? So for you, it will be easy to understand because CS module has a close integration with SD one.
Right. Right.
Yeah. Okay.
So in this, the pricing, we follow the same condition technique, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. But the cost and everything will normally trigger from CS module, like PM module, basically. Your labor cost, your raw material cost, spare part cost, all those things will come from service order actually.
Okay.
Okay, but you will do billing from your SD only, VF01,
Okay. Okay.
billing to the customer. Yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay, so
Fine.
that is a thing. And also one more thing, this is not a one-to-one training. Along with you, there will be another 2 to 3 people will be there along with you.
Okay.
So mostly I will be starting the batch next week. Next week, mostly the timing will be morning 6 to 7.
Okay.
Okay, so that we can have the training and then we can go to our office or we can do
Sure.
our normal.
And
Okay,
like what would be the fees, total fees and all?
fees you have to discuss with that institute guy,
Okay.
that Giridhar. You have to discuss with Giridhar.
Okay. Sure.
My role is only to provide the training. So,
Okay. Fine. Sir.
okay, any other questions or we
No,
are
no.
good to close? Okay then. If you don't have any
Thank you.
questions, it's okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for attending the day. Thank you.
Thank you, Sawan. Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks.